Hi, this is INFINIX Smart 7 and I'll show you how to enable the always on display option on this device. So let's check if we add the AOD option on our device just by default. Always on display. No, and let's just also check here in display and brightness option. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD tab and now AOD option. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool we should enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application. So tap the install button and just wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Click to draw over apps. And tap here on the switcher near the Muviz Edge. Then just go back. Switch the tab to AOD section and select one from the available tabs. For example, I'll use this one. Just tap to apply. Now let's just lock the device. Wait a couple of seconds. Music Edge. Hello. And that's it. So we could see that the AOD option successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.